Perfectly family. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome to your MacBook. Now my computer is updated to use the latest software, but the process should be virtually the same on any version. The first thing you want to do is open your Safari browser, which comes with every Mac computer. Next, you're going to type install Google Chrome into your search bar. Click download now, which will bring you to the Chrome website where you can download Chrome. Once you click download Chrome, the Google Chrome.dmg file will download into your downloads folder. Once it's finished, click on it and open it. A box should pop up, and you want to drag the Chrome icon into the Applications folder. This tells Mac you do indeed want to add Chrome to your computer. A couple more screens will pop up to finish the install. Once installed, simply open Chrome to use and enjoy. Thanks for watching!